welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you that how can you add videos in PowerPoint. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your PowerPoint, and after opening your PowerPoint you have to tab on or select a blank page for your project. And after selecting a blank page for your project, you have to write your project or start your project. But before that, you have to upload a video. So you have a variety of tools. In the menu bar, you have to tap on insert, and in insert you'll find the option of video. You have to tap on video. It will take you straight to your PC. You have to select the specific file and then tap on insert. It will be uploaded to your project. So this is how you can add a video in your PowerPoint's project. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope this video will help you in any way. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. By following these steps, you can add video in your PowerPoint.